It's a 2013 Ram 1500. Ram trucks are consistently recognized and awarded as some of the best. This 1500 continues that tradition. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, external memory control, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, trailer hitch receiver, heavy duty shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Ram works hard, plays harder. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.